This video will be covering the features of the device management page in BioConnect. You are able to filter your devices by the 7 columns displayed. Click on a column to order your devices by that metric, or you can click on the filter symbol in any column. To add a reader to BioConnect, first click Find Devices. This will open the BioConnect networking tool. All Suprema readers are in DHCP mode out of the box. However, BioConnect's default port for version 1 devices is 8001 and is 51212 for version 2 devices, so you must configure your devices to use this port so that they will appear in BioConnect. In order to detect your device, your computer must be on the same network that your device is connected to. Ensure that the IP of your computer is in the same subnet as your reader. When you are ready, start your search. Once your device is found, select it. Ensure that its server IP is the same as your BioConnect server. Change the port to 51212 unless you configured a different port in the BioConnect Setup Assistant. Click Apply Changes. The device will automatically show up within the device management window within about 30 seconds. If the device does not show up, ensure that you have no firewalls blocking the server port that you input. If you can't find your device in the list, you can search for it at the top of the page by its name or ID. To edit your device's settings, click the plus next to it. Under the Details tab, you can configure the device's name and location. You can also determine whether or not the reader is an enrollment reader. Only enrollment readers can be used to enroll users' biometrics. You can also see the device's ID and whether or not it is online. You can also select the device's operation mode. Card plus biometric and biometric only allows the user to either use their card and then biometric in one-to-one matching, or only their biometric in one-to-n matching. Under the General Information tab, you can view information on the hardware and firmware of your device. Under the Network Details tab, you can change the device's network settings, as well as view its MAC address. All devices are in server matching mode, so your server settings must be configured to connect to your BioConnect server. Under the Weekend Details tab, you can input the settings of the cards that your device will be reading in order that it does so correctly. Enter the facility code that should be sent to the panel with your card number when a fingerprint is authenticated. Be sure to select the card type you are using. Under the Device Memory tab, you can delete all users from the device and factory reset the device. After configuring any tabs, always remember to click Save. If a device is offline, you have the option to delete it from BioConnect. You can also restart your device. To update the device's firmware, click on the button and select the file you would like to update to. For more help, please visit support.bioconnect.com and check out our other videos.